Guys, in this video I will show you how you can connect your Wix site to a domain for free. Of course, it will be not the perfect method. I will show you how you can basically redirect your Wix website to your domain, so it will not be too pretty. But if you just want to do that, I will show you how you can do that. So first, what you need to do here is to go to wix.com and select the site. So for this example, it will be this one, Top Advice Online, and then press select and edit site, and then you will be redirected to this site. And make sure this dashboard, and make sure that your site is published, and then just press on edit site, and then you will be on the editor. And then what you need to do here is to press publish here, right? And we need to wait for a few seconds here and grab your site link. And then what you need to do here is you need to go to a domain register. It can be Namecheap, it can be GoDaddy, it really doesn't matter, but I prefer to use a Namecheap because it's cheaper than GoDaddy. And then as you can see here on domain list, you will see all the domains you have. So select the domain that you want to use and then press manage. And then on this domain, as you can see here, we need to wait for a few seconds, but you should see a redirect domain, right? And what you need to do here is to basically press add redirect here, and then source URL, write your domain name, and then paste it your site Wix site name, and also on another one, add another one, press tick here, and then do www.topadviceonline.xyz, alright? And then also add destination URL, right? And press tick. And then you need to wait from 10 minutes to even up to 2 hours to basically Namecheap or other domain will process that. But if we try right now, maybe it will work. So if I go on Top Advice Online XYZ, as you can see here, it's not working, but I will show you when it works. Alright guys, so 10 minutes passed and I will try it again. So I will just copy this my website link, and then go to, and as you can see here, it redirects us to the website that I own on Wix. Right, so guys, that's pretty much it what I want to show you. So if I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care, bye.